So it's two levels of compassion. One level is more biological factor. That compassion, no need training, no need help of wisdom, spontaneous, like compassion from mother to their children, or compassion or sense of concern of your relatives. At least those relatives, you see, show you positive attitude. Even those relatives, they say the negative attitude, forget. even you see, instead of the sense of concern, of well-being, even you should wish more trouble for them, like that. So these are biological factor and very much oriented about others' attitude. Now, second level of compassion is now beyond that, not oriented the others' attitude. So disregard others' attitude, but still they are human being. And furthermore, they are sentient being. Why we love ourselves? Not the reason we kind to ourselves, no. But simply, I want happiness, I do not want suffering. Because of that, they say, I have the right to overcome suffering. So that logical process, the rest of 6 billion human beings, all have same. All do not want suffering, want happiness. So they also deserve, you see, to achieve happiness, and they're passing through difficulties. We must respond, sense of concern for them. So that is genuine compassion, second level compassion. That compassion, not sort of biased, not oriented attitude, but oriented being itself, to the person or to the sentient being. So that unbiased, that kind of compassion, through training, through reasoning, as I mentioned earlier, today's reality. My future depends on them. So I have to take their interest, ultimately for my own interest, like that.